Energy, energy, energy. Enemy, enemy, enemy.
Am I your enemy? Hi.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Lewis.
Hi.
And you are?
I'm Mandy. No, wait, weren't we gonna have pseudonyms?
Oh.
I'm Hit. And you're
And
Mr.
I'm
Hit. You're
MC Saltine.
No, you're Mr. Hit.
I'm MC Saltine. And this is Vegans Taste Better.
You'd really be nothing without me. Today...
So we have 3 accidentally vegan items. First of all, we have Oreos. Some of them are accidentally vegan, some of them are not, so you have to read the labels carefully. These are pistachio cream thins. And we have Rootman lime wafers.
And...
Yeah, key lime wafers. So we have Rootman key lime wafers. Other Rootman products are not vegan, so again, you have
And
ghost pepper flavored tortilla chips.
so it's gonna get hot in here. I can't believe I just did that.
I can, if you just did that, because that is you.
It's not. That's not.
Alright, so let's lift and try Oreos. Lift and try Oreo pistachio thins.
Okay, so why are things pistachio flavored? Like there's no walnut flavored ice cream and there's no walnut flavored Oreos. Why pistachio?
I don't know, and I don't think it actually tastes like pistachio. But
Look how thin they are.
Green. And look how green they are. Yum.
Is this just an excuse to have a green Oreo?
I think so. Alright, let's give it a try.
It's good. I feel like we shouldn't do Oreos anymore because we already did Oreos.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the last Oreo, guys.
It doesn't taste like pistachio at all. It
It's
tastes
good,
good.
though.
Yeah, it's chocolatey. Chocolate, pretty much drowns out any flavor.
Yeah.
So.
I don't know. I think honestly I prefer the regular. I don't like the cream filling. I don't know.
Yeah. It's just aight for me, dog.
So 3 Omar heads.
3 Omar heads, 2 to 3 Omar heads.
Yeah.
It's
Don't
decent.
rush out and buy these.
Yeah. Next thing, Rootman's key lime wafers. I haven't had wafers in
Decades. I didn't even like these when I wasn't vegan. So
let's see what you think now.
I think I had one of these when I was like...
First impression.
Hey, I was still talking! I think I had one of these
first impression is that?
when I was like 8 or 9. So
these are white as the country that they're made in, which is Canada.
Canada's very white. Wow. Oh my god, that is so sweet. That's like eating like a lime candy dipped in sugar and then frosted.
It kind of reminds me of like a lemon bar.
That was not good.
I don't know. I think it actually is pretty good. I like it better than the Oreo, I think.
What? Alright, what's our last thing? Oh, that was a 1. Or a 0. That was gross. I guess a 1. Because, I mean, in a desperate situation, I could eat that. It didn't make me throw up or gag or anything. So I'll give it a 1.
I give it 2, 3. Same with the Oreo.
Okay, moving on. Last thing. Because I don't eat chips.
So,
either,
with this brand, all the other varieties are not vegan. So this is the only vegan one. Are you ready?
Yeah. It went up my nose. Very spicy.
And just wait.
Is that what ghost peppers taste like?
Mm-hmm.
Weird.
Do you feel the burn?
Yes. Bernie 2020. But seriously, Bernie 2020.
Goddamn ice cream truck. Go away.
You're poisoning kids! What a great time to do a video.
Yes.
We're vegan!
What the hell is going on?
Wait, yeah.
I think they
That was weird.
abducted a small child.
Too bad we're filming a video and can't do anything to save them.
Mm-hmm.
So I give these a 4. They're just spicy. So you get spicy, like pure heat and corn chip. And that's pretty much it. And salt.
Which is good.
It's okay. I mean, there's not a lot of flavor.
These are spicy, not for the weak of heart. I give it I give it a 4 too. I think it's good. It's not the best corn chip I've had, but it is the spiciest corn chip I've had.
Did I give it a 4?
Yeah.
I'm going to 3. They're just basic for me.
I like them.
Like if you want your mouth to be on fire, go for this.
Which
But
I
if you
do.
want actual flavor, go for some like chili lime chips or something.
I think they're good. She thinks they're okay. To recap, this was the Oreos were
It's okay. They were an Oreo.
3.
Like you can't really go wrong with Oreo.
These were 2, 3.
Those were disgusting.
A
1.
one.
These were a 1.
These were a 1.
Don't ever.
3 for me. And these were a 4 for me and a 3 for her.
So these are some examples of some things you'll find randomly anywhere.
That are vegan. Like always, read the labels. You never know when they're gonna sneak some whey in there.
They're always sneaking the whey in.
And there's no whey. I want whey in my Wheaties.
What?
I don't want whey in my food. Keep the milk out.
Yes.
It's poison.
It's gross.
Alright. Well, that's all for today. Thanks. Have a wonderful time. Like and subscribe.
We love you.
Mine looks like a pumpkin.
Army. Okay.
Me?
Army. It's
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, weirdo.
Bye. That was so bad. Quiet on the set. Ugh. You ate the broccoli.
Sir, can you leave, sir?
Please exit. Or pigsit.
Now we have an ice cream.
It's gonna knock over that light. Does anybody want to adopt a pig?
Ah! It burns!
Ooh. Enemy, enemy, enemy!